John Osborne here. Let's do the FX Education Outlook for September 6, 2017. We start out by looking at the Aussie Kiwi, and you can see it's breaking out of this resistance that we see here, this resistance trend line that we have on our 240. You can see we're quite bullish on our daily and our weekly, and this gives us an opportunity to jump in. First target is going to be this previous pivot at 1.11292. The Aussie yen also coming up out of its consolidation channel, breaking above this previous pivot here and then giving us a similar buying opportunity if we can get above this line, which we have. So now we could be looking for an opportunity to jump in with our first target being the high of this previous pivot, and that would be at about 87.608. For the Aussie Swissy, also having a setup here, you can see the line right on the top here. You can see that we're trying to break above this 0.76915 and feeling the pressure of this underlying trend line that we have here, and we'll be watching for that to break higher. That one's not breaking as we speak. We're still seeing a lot of indecision on the current bar. For the Aussie US dollar, that one just continues to move higher. Yet another opportunity to get in on a break. In the bearish side, we can look at the euro pound. You can see that we have recently moved from more of a bullish stance on this one to a bit of a bearish stance. So the jury's still out a little bit to see if this is going to really reverse lower. Our weekly's still looking pretty strong, but if we can break down below the 0.91442 weekly, then we could see a little run back to this trend line here. So we'll be watching for a break point of that 0.91442 to see if it will break lower. For the euro loonie, you can see we came down and just barely touched this previous swing low here. We can see that move was significant, breaking through this support line that we mentioned previously. For the pound Aussie, you can see we're still watching for the break on the monthly support, this trend line right here, and we've drawn in this line at about 1.60204. We have a new month now that we're in September, so we can update that and we'll keep an eye on that. And finally, with the Kiwi yen, you can see we have a support break that can be watching on the 240. We're still watching to see if we can break through this support trend line here on the daily, and that's it. The break point's now at about 78.1. So watch for that one to break lower in alignment with breaking through this support. It's got to go a little bit further below to get to that 78.1. So keep that one in mind. And that'll do it for today. And until next time, have a great rest of your day.